Hi, I'm Dinjurico M. Gamboa, and I am from BSN 1Y3M9A. So for today, I will do the return demonstration about hot and cold compress. So now, I will identify the patient. So ma'am, my name is Dinjurico M. Gamboa, your nurse for today. May I know your full name po?
Jasmine Dalasan.
Your birth date po?
May 9, 2005.
Your age po?
20 years.
Ma'am, can I check your wristband? To make it sure. So, sure. So, okay po. So now, I will review the client chart or the doctor's order. So, I will check the duration, location, and the temperature of the patient. So now, I will spec the skin or one of the patient. Mama, can I check your... So, okay. Based on my, there's a redness and little one in the patient. So now, I will assess the family patient and I will inform you. So, sir and the patient. So today po, I will do the hot and cold compress po. So yun po. So next, I will check the vital signs of the patient. So I will get the temperature. I will get the thermometer. So mama, I will put this. So let us assume that they were finished. So mama, so based on my findings, there's 36.1. So this is a normal temperature of the patient. So I will explain the expected outcomes. Ma'am, I will explain the expected outcome. So this help to release any pain, or it's help to remove any wound or bruises in your skin po. So next, I will prepare the equipment. So now, I have clean gloves, the cool or cold and hot water, and this. So now, I will explain the procedure, ma'am. So ma'am, I will put the hot compress po. So now, I will provide privacy po to make it sure that the patient was safe. So I will close the curtains and I will close the window po. So now, I will position the patient into the comfortable position po. So ma'am, I will position ko to the spine position po. So no, hindi ko po. Ma'am, are you okay na po sa position na po ngayon? Po. So next, I will do the hand hygiene. So first, I put alcohol to make it clean and safe. And I will put the clean gloves. So now we're done to put gloves. So now I will place a towel to the patient beside the air. Ma'am, I will put this, ma'am, to make it sure, ma'am, that there is no any leakage. I will put this, ma'am. Let's put it, ma'am. So next, I will get this and I will open this, and I will put hot water. And next, get the towel, and I will put it. Ma'am, there are anything po? Yes po. Ma'am, can you rate pain level po? 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. Can you rate that po?
5.
Okay po, that's normal. So, let's rate again, ma'am, to the comfortable.
7.
Okay po, that's normal. So next, I will remove this. So next, I will apply the cold compress. There's the cold compressor, and I will put this again to make it sure. So ma'am, I will put this again, ma'am. Ma'am, are you comfortable po? Wala po ba masakit, ma'am?
Wala.
Can you rate pain tolerance po? 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. Can you rate po?
5.
Oh, so okay. The comfortable po. Can you rate again po?
3.
So okay. Then assume that we are finished and there is no sign of, and there is no normal. Okay. We will remove this. So now, I will document, but first, I will remove the gloves, and I will dispose it. And now, apply alcohol to make it sure. So now I will identify the any unexpected. So ma'am, normal naman po ba yung ginawa sa inyo? Ba naman masakit?
Wala.
Okay. So now I will document. So the patient is already normal. There's any no pain in the patient. So now that's it. Thank you.